All right, guys, so this is a quick demo for one of our Fund 11 proposals for NFTPass, which is an NFT ticketing solution dashboard, an event management dashboard. And if you have a little look here, this is just like a prototype, so it's not particularly sexy, but you have like an overview, like a basic heads up of what's going on with the sales. So we have our different ticket sales here and our little donut. We have some performance history of sales over time, like again, some dummy data, how many customers, how many ticket sales, etc. And we got a nice little display of some key performance indicators by here. In our details tab, you can see the different types of tickets. You can search, you can track how many you sold, what the value is of each kind of ticket. We got general admission, VIP, booths, speakers, and media passes in this example. Then over in tickets, you can create tickets for your event. So there's a couple of things that are really important, and you'll see if you go and check out this in the proposal, you'll be able to get a link to this dashboard. Each of these things has like a little bit of an explainer for the different kind of bits of information we need. Event name, ticket format. We can have the number of tickets, different types of tickets. So in our example, we had like 5. We can check the event date. So you can set a date for when your event is. And you can upload a CSV for like seating arrangements and stuff, and you can put description for your metadata. We can also use this for extra functionality. So one of the key things about events that we can do with NFTs, is, particularly with the mobile app that we're developing, the NFT mobile wallet, is we can do other things like extra functionality here. So on here, you can enable different actions for your tickets and like check-in, so like a self-check-in process. We can generate QRs for different areas of the event, so you can track where people are entering or what areas of your event that the people are actually going to check in. So you can use that. That's a really cool feature you can use to generate like heat maps, and you can track how people move around the event without sharing any private information. We also enable like raffles, and we can have a number of winners and we can grade them. So you can have different levels of rewards as well, which we'll get onto in a second, which is why you have the number of winners and the grades. We also have polling features that we're building. So you can, during the event, you can poll your attendees, only people who have turned up, or you can poll anyone who got a ticket. You know, you can either get like valuable feedback about your event, like how people feel about it, what was the event like. You can ask for feedback, although we'd really recommend just giving people like 3 or 4 options. But ultimately we can have like text input, so people can provide actual feedback and comment on different things as well. This can also be used for other things, like at events you might have like a vote for who wins certain things, you know, like people come up and do, I don't know, like some talent show or something. I'm just thinking off the top of my head here, karaoke, right? So you've got a karaoke night at your event, and you can use this as a way to actually poll anyone who attended that event, specifically like the karaoke event, some after party or something. You combine that with your check-in, you know who has actually turned up to those, and you can poll those people specifically to vote for who they thought was the best one. You know, the potential of these things, working these things together, is kind of unlimited, right? You can go kind of anywhere, and you can manage these here in the manage tab. So you can create check-in locations and generate QRs for that. You can develop or you can establish your token rewards or event rewards. So say you can give people hoodies or free t-shirts if they go to all of the different locations, or you can do tokens. We can mint stuff for you and distribute them automatically, which is something we've been testing with our mobile app this year already, like minting and distributing rewards on the fly, which is really cool. The poll stuff you can set up here, so you can have like the number of options, the different responses, the poll titles for your obviously to make it easier for you to manage, and descriptions, so you can add a bit of information or a bit of context to the poll that you're requesting people answer. And the other things, the raffles, you can build your raffles, you can select which rewards come in, and because the tickets that we do are all using SIP68, we can update those things on the fly based on the actions people take at the event. So we can update the metadata of tokens in their NFT wallet that we're building. Check out that funding proposal as well, by the way, if you haven't already. And combining these two sides of the coin, we can provide very, very secure and rich experiences, both for the attendees, but also lots of tools and things that event like teams that are running events can do to make the experience of their event a lot more interesting and unforgettable, really. And that's such an important thing for people who are running events, to have something or manage something that people talk about for years to come. But that's it. Essentially, that's the overview of the dashboard. You can go and check this out. There'll be a link in the proposal. We have about a 6-month development time on this because we need to do different kinds of testing and organize different kinds of tests with projects on Cardano who are already running events. We have a couple lined up already, which is pretty cool, like in and around London especially, but we're also in talks with people abroad. It's moving along. We could really do with this support in Fund 11 because being funded to be able to put this together means we can do it a lot faster, and we can start putting out these kinds of experience. We can unlock all of the potential of this kind of tooling as soon as, next summer when events start happening for Cardano, which is kind of amazing, and I'm really excited about it. If you have any questions or anything, pop them in the comments, reach out to me at Stoic Pool, or go straight to NFTPass at NFTPassCo on Twitter. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to vote for us in Fund 11. I'll see you soon.